The 2025 Nissan Armada's 3-row interior provides plenty of space for passengers and cargo. It seats either 7 or 8 passengers, depending on whether you choose the second-row bench or the optional captain's chairs. Nissan claims more cargo space than before, and the third-row seats fold automatically at the touch of a button in the higher trim levels. The Platinum Reserve trim offers particularly nice materials such as quilted leather, giving the Armada a legitimate luxury SUV vibe. All trim levels are equipped with two 12.3-inch screens that spread over the dashboard. The left screen is a digital instrument cluster, and the right is a touchscreen infotainment system. Higher trim levels have a larger 14.3-inch touchscreen. Google built-in apps are optional, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone mirroring are standard. The SL, Pro, 4X, and Platinum trim levels all come with a 12-speaker clip stereo system. Every Armada is available with Safety Shield 360, a set of standard driver aid systems. Blind spot monitoring, pedestrian recognition, automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, and other features are included in the technology bundle. A hands-free driving aid known as ProPilot Assist 2.1 is available as an optional feature.